Welcome back to another episode of Destination DeLeo. Today we are on the Celebrity Summit. We're going to give you a room tour of our Veranda stateroom. So sit back, relax, and let's jump right in. Here we are in the room. Give you a nice pan. This is the view you're going to have as you walk in. And veranda is celebrities' terminology that they use for a balcony room. So this is celebrities' balcony room. So as far as the design of the room and the styling of the room, it is very contemporary, very modern, and very updated. This ship had undergone a update and remodel, and the rooms are reflected of that, which a lot of times when they do an amplification of a ship, they do not do the rooms. They usually do all the common spaces and general spaces, but Celebrity, which is owned by Royal, they did do the staterooms, which is fantastic. As we make our way around the room, as you see here, the only thing that was not updated was the 1990s phone. Everything else is updated. Plenty of storage, plenty of places to sit. There's an area there with a chair and a table for a workspace, or to sit and eat, or do anything that you need a small little desk for. And then you also have the area here with the mirror that lights up. Great for, especially for the females to put on makeup. Plenty of storage there off to the right. Got some shelves. This room has an abundance of storage, which came in very handy. We were on this ship in Alaska, so we had a lot of gear. We had a lot of stuff with us on that cruise, and it really, really was convenient to have the extra storage space in this room. So there was extra storage all over the place, under the bed and down above the refrigerator area. There was storage even on top of the glass cabinets. We use that to put a lot of shoes, and this is that area here that I'm talking about. You got the 4 drawers, and then you have the cabinets. There's your safe, and even on top of that, there's space. So that's where we put a lot of our shoes and things that might have got dirty out in Alaska that we didn't want to have down on the floor. Then you have your fridge here, standard. The fridge worked great. I will say that kept things very cold, and they have some stuff in there. If you do use, you're going to be charged. But that was kind of our station for snacks and drinks and whatnot. Here you have the closet space. Nice full-length mirror there on the door. Plenty of hangers. But if you want to bring some extra, you can. But they do provide plenty of hangers. Plenty of space in this cabinet, in this closet. You will not have an issue with storing your clothes and your shoes. Plenty of space in there. So from the closet, we're going to make our way over to the bathroom. But I am going to take this time to mention that the room itself is very clean. Very, very clean. They keep these rooms pristine. I saw no signs of any deterioration, any type of dirt, grime. It was spotless, and I was super impressed by that. Also, the bed is very comfortable. So if you're one of those people that, that you are very particular or very picky with your mattress or how comfortable the bed was, I am like that, but the bed was absolutely to my liking. It was very comfortable. My wife and I did not have any issues with sleep. So finishing up the bathroom tour here, you got towel rack, tons of space underneath that sink. You're going to have more cubbies next to the sink, so plenty of space to put toiletries and any other odds and ends bathroom type stuff that you have. Came in very handy. And even as we go into the shower here, very good space in the shower. You don't feel cramped. You got your sliding shower head, and Celebrity even provides you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So if you get any of those things, it is provided. You don't have to worry about running down to the onboard store and paying astronomical prices for it. So we'll finish up here with the balcony. Standard balcony. We always enjoy on any of our cruises getting a balcony, although it's not always a requirement for us. And that's going to wrap up our tour of the Celebrity Summit Veranda Stateroom. Hope this was helpful. Hope you'd enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Setting sail, feel the thrill. Destination DeLeo, let's chill. Waves are high, spirits soaring.